Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll introduce the Select by Name add-on, a helpful tool that allows you to quickly find and select objects or bones by their names in Blender. Install the Select by Name add-on. If you think life isn't complicated enough, you can use this add-on too. As the name suggests, this add-on provides a search box for finding objects or bones by name. Press F5 to bring up the search box. Alternatively, you can go to Select by Name in Object Mode, or Bone, Select by Name in Pose Mode. If you like this add-on, you can download it for free on Gumroad or BlenderMarket. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss the next videos.